Standard 4, Subject English, Lesson number 21. It's a poem, Flint, written by Christina Rossetti. An emerald is as green as grass, a ruby red as blood, a sapphire shines as blue as heaven, a flint lies in the mud. A diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire. An opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds fire. Now let us understand what does the poet means to say. An emerald is as green as grass. Here the poet is comparing the color of green grass with the color of emerald, the precious stone. Here recently we have learned the similes. So here the comparison is done between the colors, color of the grass and the color of emerald. So the color of grass is as green as emerald. In the next example, the poet has compared the color of blood with the color of ruby. Ruby is also another precious stone, as you can see. So here also the simile is used, the comparison of the color of the blood and color of the ruby, the precious stone. The next stone is the blue sapphire. A sapphire shines as blue as heaven. Now heaven means the sky. So the color of sky is blue, and similarly the color of sapphire is also blue. So here also comparison is done between the colors of a sky and the color of sapphire. A flint lies in the mud. Now next example is the stone, that is a flint stone. Now this is the rock, or this is the stone which is specially used in the Stone Age period, and at that time this stone was used to make the weapons. As you can see in this picture, there is one more type of flint stone, is this kind of a flint stone. This lies in the mud. Though the flint lies in the mud, that doesn't mean it does not have any value. It was having a great value during the Stone Age period to the human beings. Next is a diamond. It's a brilliant stone, means it is a stone, precious stone, which is very bright. And to catch the world's desire means everyone in the world desire to have this stone, this precious stone. Now observe this stone, precious stone. It is called as opal. An opal holds a fiery spark. If you observe this stone, it looks like the fires are coming out of this stone. It appears like that. Fiery sparks are coming out of this stone. Here the poet says that an opal holds a fiery spark, though it holds a fiery spark, but a flintstone holds fire, means the flintstone is used to create the spark, to produce the spark, to make the fire, which was very useful for the Stone Age people. So from this poem we have learnt about so many stones, and from that flint stone, though it is not looking very attractive, it is very useful. So let us see what are the properties of this flint stone. This is a homogeneous rock having a smooth surface. It is one of the hardest rocks after diamond. It is porous in nature, it means it has holes. However, when the absorbed water evaporates, it becomes more brittle. Brittle means easy to break. And this rock fractures like a glass when hit upon. So these are the features, or these are the properties of flintstone. Now let us see something more about flintstone. Flint is undoubtedly one of the hardest rocks. However, it splits like glass when tried to give it a shape. This is because its crystal structure varies from that of diamond. Being very hard puts a limit on the processes that could be used to shape it. Shaping the flint by flaking off its chips was a commonly followed method by the Stone Age man. Let us see the meanings. Heaven, the sky, brilliant, very bright, world's desire, everyone in the world has a strong wish to own it. Fiery, like fire, very bright. Flint, very hard grey stone that is used to produce sparks and light a fire. Thank you.